So I just completed a great keynote today at the Insight event talking about the importance of cloud. One of the key concepts was around end of support for certain server workloads, particularly SQL Server 2008, Windows Server 2008 and so on. And really talking about the opportunity not only to migrate those workloads to the cloud and where those applications can't be modernized, have extended support, but think about it as the first step in actually modernizing those applications. So you really get value, not just moving the workload from on-premises to the cloud, but really looking at how you actually change your business, change your processes, and adopt new modern software as a service-based solutions as well. So end of support is the start of a journey for a lot of customers to really embrace the cloud and transform their business. In the early days, one of the biggest concerns around moving information to the cloud was around security and privacy. A lot has moved on since those early cloud days where now security is not an afterthought. It's the first thing that is built into the platforms. There used to be a concept of taking individual products from best-of-breed vendors, but without them being seamlessly integrated, it's very difficult to manage the advanced attacks that are now being created by would-be hackers, malware, and so on. So not only is it an ability to modernize applications as they move to the cloud, but also make full advantage of some of the investments that Microsoft has been making around security. Microsoft today invests about $1 billion a year just in security technologies, working with our ecosystem of partners to provide the most integrated, comprehensive suite of security tools that any business could desire. As more and more organizations move to the cloud, they're embracing the latest technologies, but it's not just about changing the technology, it's also about changing the culture and the processes and the ways of working within businesses. So a lot more consideration needs to be taken, not just changing the technology, but change within business itself. And this is where a lot of the value of moving to the cloud will be unlocked as you actually change the way you actually work, change the processes, bring intelligence into your systems, and automate where possible to achieve greater optimization of your business. For a lot of organizations that have taken that first step, it was very much around moving their on-premises email systems, the places where they store files, the things that they use day in, day out, removing the sort of burden of actually managing that infrastructure by taking advantage of cloud software as a service-based solutions such as Microsoft 365 that not only brought them the very latest in email, calendaring, collaboration technologies, but now is bringing them voice, online meetings. It's also bringing intelligence into those solutions as well, being able to build business applications and integrate into business data to understand what's going on in their business. So the first step for a lot of organizations is very much moving their core collaboration and information collaboration tools, and then later on bringing line of business solutions into the cloud as well.